Good morning. Okay, so this is going to be take 2. I'm actually going to the doctor's today. And then after that we got a Tesco delivery, and then today is Wai Yee Hong's Chinese New Year celebration, so I'm looking forward to that. Mainly I'm looking forward to eating a load of food. But as I say, first of all, I'm off to the doctor's. We've been to the doctor's, so just got home, had our Tesco shopping delivered, and now we're going to head off to IKEA because it's right next to where we're going to for this Chinese New Year celebration, and it's like 10:15, so we know what we need there. We just need to quickly jump in, quickly get what we need, and then go to the celebration. This is what we're after. They don't come with lids, so I don't think. Can you get lids for those? Oh wait. That's perfect. $5.21 and okay, so yeah, that one £36, and then there's in under 23 there's another one for £30. Finished with IKEA now, and we're gonna go park at Whole Foods and walk over to the Chinese place because we think it's going to be quite busy. The event's actually in the car park, so it's going to take up car parking spaces, so we're going to go to Whole Foods. Aha! The car park is full. Okay, so I've got the Japanese fried chicken bento, and you've got the, what's it? Pork char siu? Char siu, yeah. Char siu. My crispy Japanese beef was delicious. John's char siu pork, char siu was really good. I'm gonna see if I can get some boba, because I've never actually had that before. It's so busy. This is fried plantain. It was called fried banana, but it's definitely fried plantain. Delicious though. It is raining now. Like, really chucking it down. It's cold as well, but no, I thought it was really fun, and it was something different. I wish that more places would do that sort of thing, like celebrations of other cultures, because Obviously we've got, well, I suppose Mardi Gras don't really count. But like Cinco de Mayo, when that comes up, it would be cool if we did something in the UK, in Bristol for it. I suspect there is something, but it's probably going to be tied into some sort of restaurant or something along those lines. So now we're in the long queue to try and get the hell out of here. Oh, and I picked up some candy floss. The last time I had candy floss was in the States, and it did not taste right. Dare I say it tasted too artificial, despite it's hardly natural, is it? But there you go. Anyway, we're on our way home. It's been about half an hour. We've not really moved much. We've decided to go around a slightly different way because, oh, they're moving a little bit later, but still. We just didn't realise it would be like this, basically. Not something we're used to, because we always avoid these sorts of situations. Because we certainly weren't ready for all of this traffic, so yeah, it's 1:30 now, so I feel like it'll be another 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. We'll see if I'm right. So I guess 10 to 15 minutes. It's been 25 minutes and we're so close. Literally, we should be able to get out really soon, but then it's just working out where we're going to go from here, like how we're going to get out further. We're moving. We're actually legitimately moving. Now we've stopped again, but no, we'll be home with kind of soon. So it's basically been about an hour-ish that we've been waiting to get out of that car park. It's a really small car park as well. It's just the one next to IKEA, not even the IKEA one. But it looks like it's the IKEA people who aren't being very kind and helpful. We're back at home. It's like 8 o'clock now. Excuse the little bits here. I've got like 2 French braids going back. I'm gonna start on the tuna poke, so I'm starting on that. To be honest, I took the painkillers, so I said I was going to the doctor earlier. I've just taken the painkillers that he gave me, which are like stronger than what I've had before, and I feel really sick. So hopefully that will go shortly. I'm going to start on the poke. I just need to cook the sushi rice first, and then the rest of it is just throw it all together basically. So I'm going to do that now. So I'm just bringing this rice to the boil, and then once it comes to the boil I need to turn it onto a simmer, put the lid on, simmer it for 10 minutes, and then you've got to turn it off and leave it for like another 15, like 20 minutes for it to steam, gets all nice and sticky. So whilst that's doing, I'm just going to prepare the seasoning for the rice as well. Okay, so I've made this seasoning for the rice. It's basically, it's got mirin in it, rice vinegar, sugar and salt, and that's it. So I'm just going to pour that into the rice and mix it in. I don't need all of this either. I won't put all of it in because this was for like if I did 250 grams of rice and I only did 150 grams. So I've got here some tuna, some edamame, some avocado, cucumber, carrot and some sesame seeds. So basically I'm going to build that in the bowl, and I'll probably make a dressing as well for the tuna. I've done that before and it came out quite nice. Whether I can remember what actually was in it or not, that's still to be determined, but whatever it is, I'm sure it'll be fine. So almost done. So I've made a sauce, and I basically squeezed a load of wasabi in there, and then I mixed it, thinned it out with some soy sauce, light soy sauce, mirin as well, and just a drop of fish sauce, because if you ever had fish sauce, it smells crap. It smells just not good. Not like something that you want to put on food, but somehow it tastes good when it is. So I put just a drop on there, and then so I'm going to mix this into the tuna and then start preparing the bowl. So that's my finished poke. It looks so good, and we're going to eat that and have some wine. So I'm going to wrap up today's vlog here. I hope you enjoyed the Chinese New Year celebration at Wai Yee Hong. Definitely will try and go next year. Definitely will park in a different location though, because absolutely not. It's even on the Bristol Post that it was so bad. Anyway, until next time, bye.